Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kyle Dimon here, Bullion RV, and today I got another one for you. It's a 2024 Forest River Alpha Wolf, so some really nice upgrades from the Cherokee Gray Wolves. It's a 280 QBS, so you got the quad bunks in the back, close it off for the kids with the door, so it's not just a curtain. So like always, we'll get you on the outside and we'll get you inside. So on the Alpha Wolves, you're gonna have a bigger rock guard on these. Also, you're gonna have a nice fiberglass front cap. So a couple great upgrades right away, right in the cap for you. Really nice aerodynamic to help beat the wind for you too. Powered tongue jack up front. Two 20-pound LP tanks that we do fill for you, included in the deal here at Bullion. You can kind of tell there's almost like a, I don't know if you can see it, but almost like a spray bed liner more over these frames for a little extra integrity and coverage on those for the weather. Really nice pass-through storage on here. I want you to notice they kind of cleaned it up and added another board up on top, so you can kind of see the framework in most of them, where they've cleaned this guy up and makes it look really nice in there. Your battery disconnects in there. You got your motion lights in here, so when you just open a door, light will turn on for you, so you're not fumbling with the stuff you have, trying to turn the light on or setting it down to pick it back up. So that's going to be really nice. You also got these really easy slam latch baggage doors that just hold up, so it's not like you turn a clip, pop this, just one latch, magnet to hold it up, really like that. It is prepped for side camera, so if that's something you want to do, again, we carry those here at Bullion RV, so you can put some side cameras on this rig. It's all prepped and ready for you there. Crank down scissor jacks, bring a 3/4 inch bit, trick of the trade, zip those down so you don't have to sit and crank them. One really nice big slide box on this guy, and as we're going through and take a look at these windows, I really like that kind of mirrored look on the outside. Kind of hard to see in, but you can see out. They got a tint to them to keep the heat out, the sun out, so keep the trailer a lot cooler, so you don't have to run the AC all the time. That's really nice. Right here in the back side, really convenient. All your water, all your hookups are all right here. Outdoor hot and cold shower, city water connection, freshwater connection, or the freshwater fill, your power. And then you also have the on-demand hot water system too, so the Furrion tankless hot water system. Notice the windows in the bunks, so gonna keep some light in there, not gonna feel claustrophobic with that door closing. On the back here, you're prepped for a Furrion backup camera. We carry those here at Bullion, so if you want to put one of those in, we can add that up there too. Just kind of talk with our parts guys and see what options we have there. We also have the Lippert ladder prep. We carry those again too, so when you're talking with our part guy, ask them about those as well. Those are just little collapsible ladders that'll extend, so that's gonna be a really nice feature. Come around the favorite side, the camp side. Again, on this side of the bunk, you got more windows, a little bit of storage under that bunk on that slam latch baggage door. So windows on both the bunks. Really nice big awning. This does go out just a little bit further, but I didn't want to get the other one in here, so that'll go out. I mean, for you shorter folks, you should be good. I'm about 5'8", 5'9", and I'm just sneaking under it. This will go up a little bit more as it goes out, but that's kind of nice. I'm always banging my heads on these guys too, so you have a little lift to the camper. Speakers outside, cable, power, all those hookups right here for you. In these wheels, they do got kind of like a tire pressure monitoring system. You kind of see green means go. If you're filling with gas or you're just taking a stop and you see this little red button, that means that that tire is going to need air. It's not going to tell you how much air, but it just at a quick glance kind of gives you that indication that you're going to need to throw some air in there. So really like that quick, just small little features like that are great. Outdoor kitchen here, 2-burner, little sink section, so fill with water, a little wash bay, maybe you're cleaning fish. You got an ice maker out here with a little spray port. You can hook up a spray port in here, so you can always keep that full, always keep fresh ice. And then a really nice little outdoor cooler, keep all your beverages so you don't have to run in and out of the camper all the time. Solid step stairs. Look at the size of this grab handle coming all the way down. Sometimes the grab handles are up here. Some folks might have to take the first step up without feeling secure. This comes all the way down. You can grab this from the ground. Really like that. Friction hinge door. Got the awning arms over here, so you don't got to worry about the door and the awning ever. They've also added like a scare camera, front door camera, ring bell, whatever you guys want, whatever you're used to. You can put a camera up by your front door and have that for you as well. So maybe if it's something that's a seasonal site, or you know, just sitting on a piece of property that you guys have that's going to be there for a while, you want to add an extra camera to it, that's really neat. So come on inside. Like I said, up the solid step stairs. Right as we walk in, you're going to have your voltage meter and your control panel. This is Bluetoothable, so you can connect to this, run lights, run your awning, check your tanks, all from the phone app, which is going to be really nice. Your hot water heaters all up here as well. Spot for your TV, your thermostat. You got an onboard vacuum with a hose, or just a little kick up, little sweep tray here. Fireplace is electric, so you can get about 5,000 BTU coming out of there. A couple different colors and things like that will happen with it as well. They have changed to this new system for music, so you Bluetooth to there, kind of run everything on your phone. So that's going to be a little different, but you do have music. Like I said, inside, outside. We got the blue party lights on because we like the blue party lights here. You can always turn those off so they don't have to be on all the time, but those are nice. Notice some of the new colors, the grays, they kind of went away from a lot of the blacks. So some of the new grays looking on, I think that's really nice. Some of the lighter wood tones are really great as well, like that. Big U-shaped dinette here so you can fit the whole crew. That ladder's for in the back on the bunk system. This jackknife sofa's kind of like a futon, which will drop down, give you extra sleeping. Does give you a little extra storage under there too. So for those unexpected guests that need an extra blanket, you can always have one squirreled away in there for you. With a camper this size and all the bunks, you're going to have a bunch of game nights, because you can't pick your nights. You go camping if it's maybe, you know, wet or rainy. You're going to play games, do puzzles. Look at all this storage that you can put into here. You pull it all the way out. It doesn't get stuck back there. You don't got to get on your hands and knees and crawl down to get it. So I really like that. Fridge, freezer, 12 volt. So going to, again, with how many people this camper sleeps, having a bigger fridge and freezer is going to be really nice. 3-burner cooktop with a small little oven. Put these new backsplashes in. Kind of has a nice modern look to it. One big basin, farm style stainless steel sink, pull down faucet. You can turn that out of the way. You're going to have sink covers. One AC unit in this unit, but it is ducted throughout the whole camper, so keep the whole camper cool here for you. And then back here is where your pantry area is going to be. The opens are down here, but really nice, good pantry space here. Can fit a lot of food. On the back side of me is going to be the bathroom, so we'll kind of sneak in here. You do have, all right, so you do have a tub. You get this bar right here, so if you're out at the beach, you want to hang towels, drip dry them in here, or something like that. Whatever you got going on, nice little extra hanging spot. Maybe you're going to a wedding and hotels cost way too much money for the family, so you can hang your dresses, suits, all the kids' clothes right in here so they're not tucked in any of the smaller cabinetries. You got this overhead sky dome for you taller folks. Give you a little more headroom in here. Good counter space to get ready. Max air fan in the bathroom as well. Another nice small touch is a motion light. So again, you don't got to turn on the big lights. You know, these are just push puck, but when you come in here in the middle of the night, just having that pop on, that's all you'll really need. Spot to hang some towels. So it's a little tight bathroom, but everything you need and enough space to get the thing done. Like I say, you always come out smelling better than when you went in, if that's the thing. Move back into the bunk room. Really like how they have this set up, so it's almost like a quad bunk system, but then the kids we have this dropped right now to be like a sleeper, but the kids would have another spot to do their own snacks or game time, or if they're, you know, kind of reading books, doing schoolwork, anything like that. Cool spot for that. Bunk folds up out of your way. You got power, you got USB on the back side to plug into the devices. Both of the bunks on this side are going to have that as well. That USB, USB-C, power plugs. Like I said, the windows. Good storage on the inside of this one. And then they have their own little cabinet for storage as well. And then you want to hook up a TV in here, you could do that set it on this section as well. All right, so that's the main camper. We'll head up into the bedroom and take a look at this. So this guy, again, you know, these bedrooms are a little tight, so they got 2 entry doors. You could sneak around in the bedroom. It's not all the way, but, you know, like I said, it is a little tighter. Cool little barnyard wood look to the back headrest up here. Little push puck lights in the bedroom as well, all over, to kind of customize that for you. Overhead storage. And then you also have hanging storage, but like I said, these are like more of like t-shirts and stuff, so if you have anything longer, dresses, sundresses, things like that, those could go in the bathroom on that. Hanging in there. Pull out drawers. Power USB on both sides. This is going to be a little inverter here in the bedroom. And then you also have a little extra storage, and there's that sink cover. So you can get at it from the front, but like I said, it is a little close, but you can get at stuff from here. Otherwise, you can pop the bed up. So that's pretty cool. All right, I think that is everything in this one. Again, my name is Kyle Dimon. I'm here at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. If you haven't already and you like our videos, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Also, it gets these videos, gives you notifications as soon as we put them out. So if it's something that you're looking for, you get to check them out. Leave us a comment in below if there's anything else that you want us to go over, if you'd like to see. We do these videos for you guys at home. So reach out to me if you'd like to work with me at 218-740-4964. You can shoot me a text, shoot me a call. Happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.